Good morning, children. So today this is your mathematics class. So today you are learning the chapter 3 multiplication. So in multiplication we learn the meanings. What is the meaning of multiplication? Meaning of multiplication? Yes, multiplication meaning. Meaning of the multiplication. Yes. Multiplication meaning and the terms. You know it, isn't it? Already know that the meaning and the terms used in the multiplication. So multiplication means, yes, multiplication is the process of repeated addition. Then terms used in multiplications are, which are the terms we are used in multiplication? So this is the example, 23 into 2 is equal to, so multiply 23 into 2, how much you are getting? Yes, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, so product is 46. So the first term, the first number is known as multiplicand, that means the number which is multiplied. Then second number means the 2 is known as multiplier, that is the number which we multiply, the number which we multiply. Then 46 is the answer, so it is known as, answer is known as product. Is it clear? Then next, before we are doing the multiplication, we are learned tables, isn't it? We learned the tables, so we are revising the table. Here first 2 7s are, what is the answer? It's 14. 2 7s are 14. Second one, yes, 3 6 are, say the answer speedily. Yes, 18. Then 4 8s are, say speedily, what is the answer? Yes, sir, 32. Then fourth question, 5 9s are, yes, 5 9s are 45. Then fifth question is 6 8s are, yes, very good, 48. Then sixth question, 9 9s are, yes, very good, 81, very good. Next, then we are learning the properties of multiplication. We are going to revising, not learning, just we are revising the properties of multiplication. So what is the first property? Properties of multiplication. So first property is, yes, commutative property. It is also known as, yes, the order property. Commutative property is also known as property. That means 7 6 are 7, 6 are 42, the same as 42 is same as 6. Yes, 42 is same as 6 7s are. You are getting the answer as 6 7s are. You are getting the answer as 42. 6 7s are. You are getting 42. That means order does not change the product. In commutative property means the order of the numbers in multiplication does not change the product. Then second property is, yes, identity property. That means 100 into 1. 100 ones are, yes, 100 ones are 100. So the question, the first number and the multiplicand or anything multiplying, if you are multiplying 1 with any number, you are getting the answer as same number. So 100 into 1 is 100. So identity property. That means when you are multiplying 1 with any number, 1 by any number, you are getting the number itself. Then third property is zero property. That means any number, that is, here is 36 into 0 is equal to, yes, what is the answer? Any number into 0? the 0. The number in the 0 is 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0 itself. Sorry, 0. Then today, now we are going to learn the multiplication by a single digit number. That means one digit number. 3 digits. Here is a 3 digit number. 216 is a 3 digit number. We have to multiply by a single digit. 3 digit multiplied by a single digit number. Single digit number 3. Then what is the first step? What is the first step? What is the first step? Yes, you have to write the first multiplicand first, the greater number first. Which is our greater number? 216. So first number, so you have to write 216. Then where we have to write, then put the multiplication symbol. Then where we have to write the 3, 3 has 3 in ones place, so you have to write 3 just below the 6. Just below the 6, you have to write 3 just below the 6. Clear? Then take the table of 3. Then start from the ones place. Listen, where addition, subtraction and multiplication, for these these process, these operations, you have to start with the ones place. Clear? You have to start with the ones place. The first one is start from the ones place. Then 3 6, which is the number there? 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. Then how do you write? In 3 6 are 18. So write 8 in the ones place and 1 as the carry over to the tens place. So clear? Then 8 in the ones place, then 1 as the carry over. Clear? Then what is the next step? So 6 first the ones into ones is completed. Then you have to multiply 3 and the digit in the tens place of the first number. Which is a tens, in tens place, which digit is there in 216? Yes, 1. 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3 itself. 3 into 1 is 3 itself. Then 3 into 1 is 3. Then add the carryover. 1 is the carryover. 3 plus 1 is, yes, 4. Where we have write the 4? The answer you are getting is 4. Where we have write the 4? So 1 in the tens place. You are multiplying 1 in the tens place. So you have to write 4 in the just below the 1. Just below the 1. So clear? So then second step is also completed. What is the next step? Fourth step is completed. What's the next step? Next step is you have to multiply 3 and the digit in hundreds place. 3 and the digit in the hundreds place. That means multiply 3 by the digit in the digit 2 in the hundreds place. 3 2s are, yes, say the answer speedily. 3 2s are 6. Where you have to write 6? Yes, in the hundreds place. That means just below the 2. Just below the 2. Is it clear? So your answer is 648. Next. Here is the next question. 5021. This is the 4-digit number. Now you are doing the multiplication of 4-digit number by the 1-digit number. Then 5021 into, yes, into 7. 5021 into 7. So what is the first step? Multiply the 7 and 1. The digit in the ones place. First multiply the digit in the ones place. So 7 ones are 7. Yes, very good. What's the next step? Multiply the 7 into, yes, the number near, the digit nearest to the ones. 1 is a 2. 7 2s are 14. We are getting 7 2s are 14. Where we are write, we can write only one number just below the 2. Yeah, that means the tens place. Where we are write the 1, 14. There is in 14 there is 1 is there. Where we are write this 1? 1 as our carryover to the hundreds place. 1 as our carryover. You have to write in the hundreds place. Then what is the next step? Yes, you have to multiply 7 zeros. 7 into 0. 7 zeros are 0. Then add the carryover is there. You have to add 7 zeros are 1. 0 plus 1. Yes, 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Then, so 100 place is over. Then one more place is there. Thousands place. 7 fives. Multiply 7 and 5. 7 fives are 35. So you have to write 35 there. 5 in the 35. 5 in the thousands place. 3 in the 10,000s place. This is your answer. So what is the answer? 35,147. Clear? Then next question. 694 into 8. 694 into 8. What's the first step? Multiply the digit in the ones place. So 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. So 2 in the ones place. 3 is the carryover. Where you have to write the carryover? Where you have to write the carryover? Yes. Where you have to write the carryover? In the tens place. Then carryover in the tens place. Then what is the next step? So ones place is over. After writing the carryover, if there is a carryover, you have to write it in the tens place. That means ones place is over. Then multiply 8 and a digit in the tens place. That means 8 nines. 8 nines are, yes, 72. 8 nines are 8 nines are. First step is you are doing 8 fours are 32. 32. 2 is here. 3 is the carryover. In second step, you are multiplying 8 nines. 8 nines are, yes, 8 nines are 72. Where you have to write 72. 8 nines are 72. 2 in the tens place. 7 has the carryover to the hundreds. 7 has the carryover to the hundreds. Then third step. What's the third step? 8 6. 8 6 are, yes, 48. 48. Then 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. Then where you are write 48? Yes, where you are write 48? Where you are write the 48? Is 8 in the hundreds place. 8 in the hundreds place. So 48 here, 7 is our carryover. 48 plus 7. 48 plus 7 is 48 plus 7. Yes, 55. In 55, 5 in the hundreds place and the 5 in the tens place in the 10,000s, thousands place. Is it clear? Is it clear? How do you write? First multiply 4 8s are 32. 2 in the ones place. 3 is a carryover to the tens place. Then second step 8 9s are 72. In 72 we have to add the carryover. 72 plus 3. 72 plus 3 is 75. 5 you have to write just below the 9 in the tens place. And 7 is the carryover. Third step is you have to multiply 8 6 are 8 6. 8 6 are 48. Then we have the carryover there 7. The carryover 7. You have to add 48 plus 7. 48 plus 7 is 55. That is 1 5 in the hundreds place. Other 5 you have to write in the thousands place. Is it clear? So your answer is 555,000. 5,552. 5,552. So next. So this is for the assignment. Find the Find the product. Find the product. So first question is 458 into 7. Second question is 2365 into 4. You have to do it as so what is the assignment? What is your assignment? Find the what is the assignment? Find the product. 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 Clear? So first question is 458 into 7. Second question 2365. So that's for today's class. Thank you. God bless you.